You're invited to a very Cravings open house. This holiday, I'm making a bunch of treats for an open house. There's going to be something for everyone. Today we're making a hazelnut and chocolate Tart du Soleil. This is a simple recipe. It's literally 2 circles of puff pastry, and I've got a delicious hazelnut chocolate spread that's sandwiched in between. This makes a stunning dessert for your holiday table, and it can also be made savory. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to watch right till the end of this video. I'm going to leave all the other recipes in this series right there. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and do ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to check out the link at the end of this video. It's got all of the other recipes in this series. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to pound about ½ cup of hazelnuts. This will give a great crunch to this dessert. I have pre-rolled sheets of puff pastry here, and using a dinner plate, I'm going to cut out 1 circle and keep it aside. Using another sheet, I'm going to cut another circle for the top. I need to make a marking in the center, and rather than eyeballing it, which you can totally do, I like to fold it over and pinch the middle so I get a precise center point. Using a jar lid, I'm going to make a circular indentation around the center point. Now keep this aside and place the first circle down. Brush the circumference of the circle with an egg wash. I plan to bake and serve it on this stone, but if you have plans to move it or take it somewhere with you, lay down a circular sheet of parchment paper just a tad smaller than the pastry, and it'll be easier to slide off later. I have about ½ to 3/4 cups of hazelnut spread here, and just to make it easier, I'm going to warm it up in my microwave for a few seconds. I'm using an offset spatula to spread it, and I'm going to leave about a ½ inch all around. Now place the top circle over and match up the edges, and just make sure that the indentation is on the outside. Cut through right till the indentation mark on one side and then through the other. Then go ahead and cut each quarter in half, and then each section in half again. At this stage, the pastry has probably warmed up as you've worked it, so just stick it in the fridge for about 30 minutes so it can firm up again. Once it's firmed up again, using a smaller knife, I'm going to make sure the cuts go all the way through. And oops, I missed a spot, so let me work on this as well. Very carefully grab the end and twist it, and do this for every section. Stick it back in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Once I'm done, I'm going to brush the surface area with egg wash, and then I'm going to sprinkle it generously with cinnamon sugar. And this is literally sugar and cinnamon powder mixed together. I'm going to add some of the bigger hazelnut chunks in the center, and then I'm going to brush the circumference with some more egg wash, and I'm going to add the smaller crushed bits of hazelnut all around the edges. I'm going to stick this in my preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. till the top layer is golden brown. If you notice that one side is browning faster than the other, turn it around, and if you got some spots that are getting too dark, you can also place a foil on top of it. I love to serve this with a few hazelnut chocolates in the center after it's cooled. I think it gives a really nice festive and sparkly touch. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. This delicious hazelnut and chocolate tart is really going to enhance your holiday table. All your family and friends are going to love it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. And ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Cravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Cravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, happy holidays. Bye.